7 simple tricks to boost your spoken English. No grammar stress. Speak fast and clear. Do you want to speak English confidently without worrying about grammar mistakes? Today I will show you 7 simple tricks to boost your spoken English. Step 1. Think in English, not your language. Stop translating in your head. Say your thoughts directly in English. Instead of thinking in your native language, think in English. Try this for 1 minute. Now think, I am happy. I am drinking water. Repeat aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Step 2. Speak every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Talk to yourself in front of a mirror or record your voice and listen. Consistency is key. Take your phone, record a short sentence. Play it back. Notice improvement? Step 3. Learn common phrases, not just words. Don't memorize single words. Learn phrases you can use daily. How's it going? Instead of just, how? These phrases make your English smooth and natural. Repeat after me. What do you think? That sounds great. Can you help me? Step 4. Listen and repeat. Listen to English videos, movies, or podcasts. Repeat what you hear aloud. Mimic the tone, speed, and accent. This trains your mouth and brain together. Pick any short sentence from a video. Repeat 3 times. Feels easier the second time, right? Step 5. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak first, correct later. Confidence matters more than perfection. You say, I go to market yesterday. That's okay. Native speakers will understand. You'll learn the correct form next time. Step 6. Use English in daily life. Order food in English. Talk to friends. Write messages in English. The more you use it, the easier it becomes. Today, try writing 1 English sentence about your morning in notes or chat. Step 7. Think positive and enjoy. Don't stress about grammar or vocabulary. Focus on communication and fun. Enjoy speaking. Improvement will come naturally. Smile while speaking English today. Positive mindset boosts confidence instantly. Quick recap. 1. Think in English. 2. Speak daily. 3. Learn phrases. 4. Listen and repeat. 5. Don't fear mistakes. 6. Use English daily. 7. Positive mindset. Start using these tricks today. Your English will become faster, smoother, and confident. Thank you.